Hey Fitness Tips family! Have you been hitting the gym day after day, pushing through those grueling workouts, but somehow your muscles just aren't growing? It feels like you're stuck in a frustrating plateau, right? Well, today, we're diving deep into the real reasons why your muscles might not be growing, and more importantly, how to fix these problems once and for all. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, this video will unlock the secrets to breaking through your muscle-building roadblocks. So make sure you stick around, because what you're about to learn could transform your gains forever. Welcome back to Fitness Tips, the channel that's all about helping you build a stronger, fitter, and healthier version of yourself. Now, muscle growth, or hypertrophy, isn't as simple as just lifting heavy weights and eating more protein. It's a complex process influenced by many factors, and if one or two of these factors are off, you might find yourself spinning your wheels. So, let's start unraveling these hidden reasons your muscles aren't growing and uncover the powerful solutions to fix them. First, did you know that training too hard could actually be stopping your muscles from growing? Sounds crazy, right? But yes, overtraining is a silent muscle killer. Let's talk about why pushing your body beyond its limits without proper recovery can sabotage your progress. When you work out, you're essentially causing small tears in your muscle fibers. These tears need time to heal and rebuild stronger. But if you're hitting the gym every day without giving your muscles adequate time to rest, you're putting your body in a constant state of stress. This stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle tissue instead of building it. So instead of growing, your muscles are literally being eaten away. Recovery isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. To fix this, you need to build rest days into your training routine and prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night because this is when your body releases growth hormone, a crucial driver of muscle repair and growth. If you're not sleeping enough or constantly training without breaks, your muscles simply won't grow, no matter how hard you push. Here's a truth bomb for you. Not eating enough calories is one of the most overlooked reasons your muscles aren't growing. If you're constantly in a calorie deficit, your body won't have the fuel it needs to build new muscle. Muscle growth requires energy. Think of calories as the currency your body spends to repair and build muscle tissue. When you don't eat enough, your body goes into survival mode, and muscle growth takes a back seat. Even if you're consuming protein, if your total calorie intake is too low, you're limiting your gains. So how do you fix this? Calculate your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. That's the total number of calories your body burns in a day. To build muscle, you want to eat above this number, usually 250 to 500 extra calories per day, depending on your goals and metabolism. Don't just eat junk calories though. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean meats, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of veggies to fuel your muscle growth effectively. Let's talk about protein for a moment. Protein is the building block of muscle, but many people think that more protein automatically means bigger muscles. That's not exactly true. You need enough protein, yes, generally about 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight, but consuming excessive amounts won't speed up growth if other factors aren't right. Now, let's get into a big one. Your workout routine itself might be the culprit. If you're doing the same exercises, same sets, and same reps for months on end, your muscles adapt, and progress stalls. Muscles grow when they're challenged with new stress. This is called progressive overload. If you're not increasing the intensity of your workouts over time, your muscles won't have any reason to grow. Progressive overload can mean adding more weight, increasing the number of reps or sets, or even reducing rest time between sets. But here's the catch: your workouts need to be smart and well structured. Randomly lifting heavier without proper form can lead to injury rather than muscle growth. Also, neglecting compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups can limit your potential gains. These multi-joint exercises stimulate multiple muscle groups and release more growth-promoting hormones than isolated exercises. Fix this by tracking your workouts. Write down your weights, reps, and sets. Aim to improve in at least one of these areas every week or two. Switch up your routine every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your muscles guessing and growing. Another hidden factor is your mindset and stress levels. Stress might not seem related to muscle growth, but chronic stress can seriously sabotage your gains. When you're stressed out, your body produces cortisol, the same hormone we talked about earlier that breaks down muscle. High cortisol levels make it harder to recover from workouts and increase fat storage around your belly, which is the last place anyone wants it. To fix this, incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily life: meditation, deep breathing exercises, light walks, or even hobbies that make you happy. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as lifting weights and eating right. Speaking of recovery, hydration is often ignored but critical for muscle growth. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles and removes waste products that build up after intense training. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and poor performance in the gym, all of which limit your muscle growth. Have you ever considered your supplement game? Supplements can't replace hard work, but they can support your muscle building journey when used right. Creatine, for example, is one of the most studied and effective supplements for increasing muscle mass and strength. It works by helping your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise, allowing you to push harder and recover faster. Protein powders are also convenient for hitting your daily protein goals, especially if you struggle to get enough through whole foods. But beware of flashy supplements promising overnight muscle growth. The key is consistency with your training, diet, and basic supplements like creatine, protein, and maybe a good multivitamin. Now, let's talk about muscle imbalances and poor form. Sometimes your muscles aren't growing because you're not activating them properly during exercises. For example, if your chest isn't growing, it might be because your shoulders and triceps are doing most of the work instead. Using poor form or lifting with momentum reduces the tension on the muscles you want to grow. This means your target muscles aren't getting enough stimulus to grow. Fixing this requires slowing down your reps, focusing on mind-muscle connection, and possibly working with a coach or using video analysis to check your form. It's better to lift lighter with perfect form than heavy with sloppy technique. And here's the final secret many people overlook: patience and consistency. Muscle growth is a slow process. You didn't build those muscles overnight, and you won't lose them overnight either. Many get frustrated and jump from one workout program to another or try every diet fad, hoping for quick results. The truth is, your muscles need consistent training, proper nutrition, and recovery over months and years to grow. Stick to your plan, track your progress, celebrate small wins, and trust the process. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, and your future muscular self will thank you. To wrap it all up, the reasons your muscles aren't growing often boil down to a few common but fixable mistakes: not allowing proper recovery, eating too few calories, not training with progressive overload, neglecting form and muscle activation, letting stress run your body, ignoring hydration, and lacking patience. Fix these areas, and your muscles will start responding, stronger, bigger, and healthier than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Fitness Tips for more muscle building secrets, and share your own struggles and successes in the comments below. Let's grow stronger together.